Nick Peterson here with tinywoodstove.com and want to show you our MG400 Cookstove. It sits about 19 by 20 by 36 counter height, has a small baking oven on the top. We just got done installing it in they call it the great room. It's just kind of an all-purpose room. A little less than 1,000 square feet. So we're going to show you around the stove and then fire it up for the first time. The stove has an ash pan, air intake on the bottom, and then air intake on the top. Cast iron grate to go to the ash pan. And then you have fire bricks. Then you have the baking oven on top. Pretty good size. The oven is about 12 by roughly 12 by 12. It actually is just under 14 inches deep, 12 inches wide. And the firebox is 14 inches deep and 16 inches wide. Yeah, we got a nice fire going in there. And I don't know if you can see. Yes, you can see. It's not smoke coming from the pipe, but it's the paint curing. So a little heat fan trying to blow that out. So the manufacturer said that, yeah, definitely the paint, it would smoke, and that it would take a fire or two for the paint to cure. Okay, the off-gassing has subsided a little bit. Yeah, that was a little intense. I'd probably recommend someone, before putting it in their home, taking it outside and putting a small chunk of pipe on it and firing it up and letting some of that burn off. And then the distance to combustibles, the walls were getting pretty hot. We have it right now at about 15 inches from the back left and right corners. And it's rated to 80 centimeters from combustibles, which is 30 inches. We have it at 15, which I think the rule of thumb is that you can take the distance in half with a heat shield. So I think in this situation, the heat shield behind it, the 15 inches would be, just fine. The oven works very well. Right now it's cracked, and we're at 200 degrees Celsius, which is just over 400 degrees. We've been cracking it and opening it just to because there's paint inside the door, letting that just off gas and cure. See, burns fairly clean. No smoke coming out the flue. It's a good thing. The air wash, which is that top air control, is working really, really good. The glass is clear. So that's a plus.